Okay, guys, today we will be playing Subway Surfers. Don't judge me. This is not my first time playing it, but I'm very fall. I had traded my old device to this one, so if I got a whole lot of money, so don't try to think that I cheated and stuff like that, cause I didn't. Yes, you see all that money. Okay, what I use? I think today we should use. Yeah, today we're gonna use this one. I'm gonna use this one, the shiny outfit. I am buy them. I'm gonna buy Zoe. Oh wow. I don't know. Should I buy it? I'll wait. I need one more and I have her. We guess we use Lucian. 130. Everything cool. See, I know they're gonna text me and say, "Oh, he cheated," stuff like that. I actually did not cheat, guys. I promise you, did not cheat. It's just because I've been playing this game for a very long time. Cause me and my stepdad used to be like very into. Oh, yes. Uh huh. Me and my stepdad used to be very into this game. So, oh god, how you do it? I never knew that. My mom said it was bedtime, but we didn't even eat nothing yet. Ain't that something, guys? Oh yeah, we got testing. So this not gonna be a very long video because my mom, but it's gonna be pretty long. Just still recording. Oh, I don't think it's recording. Oh wow, it really is. I'm sorry, guys. I noticed that the security guard, is black. Ain't that something? Crap. And I'm very sorry, guys, because this is my first time using AO shoes, something like that. So I didn't know that I couldn't watch YouTube videos. It would have been very funny, but good thing I had a replacement. And then tomorrow, guys, I will show y'all how to get the Tutu app. It's this app that I guess it's like Aptoid. You know how Android. I don't know if you know about that, but it's like Android. But I mean Aptoid, but you can't get Aptoid on iPhones. Well, you can, but I don't know how. So it's called Tutu app or V-Shell. I forgot how to get V-Shell. But tomorrow, when I get out of school, I will show you how to get Tutu app. And if you already know how to do it, you can still watch it. But if you don't have to. But please don't forget to leave a like, let's get to one like, because I don't really have that much subs. But don't forget to subscribe and leave likes and comment. And I'm gonna be doing a giveaway on my PS3. It's a jailbroken PS3 that have mods on it. I don't know when I'm gonna give it away, when I get my PS4. But yes, I will be giving it away soon. Then I'm gonna give away 10 fidget spinners. Yeah, I'm gonna give away 10 fidget spinners. Probably I'm on Wish right now. No, Amazon. I'm sorry, Amazon, to see if I can get some. Cause I saw all mine at Craig Wentz. Oh, and I forgot to tell y'all, this weekend, I mean, it's already weekend, but next weekend, cause today is Sunday, I will be going to Craig Wentz skate park with my scooter, and I should have a hero, a GoPro. I really need one, like badly, but I just I just couldn't really find one. But I'm gonna get one either from this guy from on Let Go, or I'm just gonna buy one that's brand new. See, guys, as you can see, I'm doing pretty good, but this not the best I can do. Oh wow, the guy who chased me just got hit like 3 times. Nice key. I missed all the coins. Oh yes, finally. And I just posted a video of taking probably my DVD player. I'm sorry, guys. Turned out the screws was stripped, something like that. But either tomorrow on Monday or Tuesday, I will me and my friend will be breaking it. And don't forget to sub to my boy Gaming with Dre, DRE. He almost died. See, I have 3 cameras, guys. So, and I'm thinking of tonight putting a prank on my uncle since he been talking all that smack and Madden. If you could see him in my last episode, he's talking all that smack. I won and it was fucking 43-44. He tried to talk the Xbox and said, because we had 2 seconds left, and he talked the Xbox and said, I won. And then I said, how? Because, and then I see he talked off the Xbox with me still winning. But then he said the game wasn't over with. Like, come on, but really? Try to cheat. But it's okay. Y'all saw the video. Oh, wait. I had to cut it short because I guess YouTube don't really let you post that long. Alright, well, today, that's the end of the video, guys.